Yeah, good morning, students. This is Srinivas K. I am an assistant professor. Today, I would like to discuss regarding the most important subject in BTech or whatever in physical life or practical life, that is probability theory and stochastic process. It is probability theory means the probability of outcomes. It may come or not come. Stochastic means the analysis of the signal processes. Then you have to know the first thing, what is probability? Definition of probability. Where we apply the probabilities in real time scenario and which topics are included in the probability that is related to the other subjects. First, we discuss the probability. What is probability? You have to know the what is probability. The definition of probability. The probability means the person will probably may come or not come. If you're tossing a coin, it may become heads or tails. That is probability value. And where we apply the probabilities in real time. Where we apply these probabilities in real time scenario. The topics we need to discuss. Next one is why we give the importance to probability topics. Actually, what is the main reason behind this? We have to give the most important priority, highest priority to probability. And how probabilities connect to with other subjects means I have the subject we are discussing the probability theory and stochastic process. This subject is related to the analog and digital subjects EMTL, that is electromagnetic fields and signals and systems, and digital signal processing, satellite communication, and noise topics. How it will connect this subject that we will discuss. And finally, which topics included in probability. That is our core syllabus of probability theory and stochastic process. Now, what is probability? Probability means a person may probably come or not come. Tossing a coin or playing a match, if the rain will come or not come. It may complete or not complete means we have to do the experiment. Definition of experiment, that is any physical action can be considered as an experiment. Means we are doing any experiment, we are conducting a class, we are we are thinking that 60 people will come to the classroom, but only 45 people are came. Out of 60, only 45 people are came. We are conducting a class means total numbers are 60. The probability outcome is only 45. The experiment is here conducting a class. Probability of getting is 45. Examples of experiment in real time scenario are tossing a coin. If you want to play a game, who will bat first, who will bowl first, that in a cricket or in hockey, who like that, and a kabaddi or playing a chess or in a carom, all games tossing a coin between two persons. Similarly, throwing or rolling a die or dice and drawing a card from a deck of 52 cards. There are 52 cards are there. In 52, we'll select only one card. That is one different card, unique card. One unique card. Drawing, that is improbable. Now we need to know the definition of probability. Definition of probability is the number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Just now I discussed that if I conducting a class, that is a probability. Means in probability, total number of students are 60, but on that day only 45 people are present. That is 45 by 60. 45 means number of favorable outcomes. 60 means total number of possible outcomes. Okay, those are the fixed numbers. Those are fixed means they are selected for the classroom. They are paid the fee. They join. But when I starting conducting a class, only out of 16 registered students, only 45 are came. There is a probability on that day. Second day, 46. Third day, 50 by 60. Fourth day, 60 by 60. That is the maximum probability. If in the case of Sunday, there is no class. Means 0 by 60. Favorable outcomes on Sunday, 0. That is, probability is on that day, 0. If I conduct an exam or some important day, 60 by 60, that is maximum probability value is 1. This is the actual definition of probability. Now, before knowing the probability, we need to know the probability induced through set and relative frequency. How the probabilities means how the number of outcomes or total number of outcomes can be designed means set. Set is a well defined element means if I conducting a class means all the members will not come. Those who are eligibility students means for conducting a RRB class, RRB session for railway job. If I conducting a railway job, all the students will not come. Those who are qualified or passed in the intermediate stage, those who are applied for the exam, those will come to the class. For those who are applied for the examination, those will interest to join the RRB coaching. But all means if you are the person who will not pass the 10th class, the person who is studying 8th class, the person who are 60 years person, those are not eligible. Set is a well defined element means there are certain rules and regulations to present in the classroom. Like that set has a certain rules. That is a set. Set is defined as subset, union, intersection. All this will say. Set will be always within the flower bracket means x is equal to flower bracket number of elements like this. A set. Similarly, relative frequency. Relative frequency means frequently when I conducting regularly daily classes, frequently they will come. Total number means 60 registered students. But the day 1, 59 came. Day 2, 57. Day 3, 58. Day 4, 40. Day 7, Sunday, 0. Like that. Relative frequency means total number of events is a n. Number of times occur that event means n of a. Means probability of n of a is equal limit t tends to infinity n of a by